Today is day number 8. Day number 8 after the blaze up. This is Whitmarsh Street. Coming to you is Stone Rees from Providence, Rhode Island. I think you saw in my previous video, I showed the street. Now you will cover in snow, cover in lot of snow. And now this is it. Street have been platted. There's walkway, but now property done. That's Enwood Avenue across there, and this is Whitmarsh Street, the side street. That's the Dental Associate office, and everything seems to be fine, calm, and quiet from Providence. Okay, you can comment and share this video. Thank you, and have a great day or great evening.